You're welcome tonight. Please, I beg of you, on this platform, I'm going to be rewarding people with what they do, the businesses they do. I am going to be mentioning some of my top fans. They've been very, very supportive. Not on giving me money. Don't go there. There I have some fans that often they calls me on the phone, encourages me, talks to me. They've been like brothers, and I love them. So I don't think anybody is paying me to do what I do. So I think I have to start encouraging our people. Ihe emegi Igbo. Ihe emegi Igbo. Well. So in any means or ways we know we can encourage our people, we'll be encouraging them. And we got to be encouraging them. It is very, very important we do so. So I had to play my music before I will tell you why I am here. And as I start, I need you to help me share my live broadcast. So it's to be awesome. So let's go. That's my music, sung by Governor Esn Why calling me at this time, Emeka?
Some years ago, there are people who were worshiping God.
You're welcome tonight.
They were worshiping Him in truth and in spirit. But as of today, what is really now is that you must learn how to call food numbers.
God bless you. You're welcome.
Call names.
Simon Chiku, you're welcome. Imo will be
call
better.
the color of the undies.
Imo will be great again.
Ladies are wearing.
Imo will be awesome.
Yet, you cannot imagine the type of crowd they have. All in the name of God. But go and check them. Life has never been better with them. Despite everything they are doing. Imagine as a pastor you were kidnapped.
What is going on? All right, tonight my name is Governor Ezioku. To every cronies and bones of Imo State, we're going to make sure that there is peace, love in our states. Before I go further, I want to play this video for you, and I need you to watch this video. I want you to see what these guys are doing. And at this point, before I will play this video, somebody should help me tag the governor of Imo State. I made a mistake. I didn't tag him to this video. I don't know. Let me see if I can tag him here. Hope Uzodimma is on Facebook. And let me tell you, the account, any account of any governor you see on Facebook that is verified, the governor is aware of it. And he logs in there. You cannot create that account in his behalf. Are you all listening to me? Yes. Yes, it is possible that he may have admins, but the governor comes to their Facebook page every day. The only governor I am not too sure of in South as of today is former governor of Rivers State, Chief Barrister Esn Gunm3N, but he also has an account through which he logs into Facebook. No leader in Nigeria deals without Facebook. Let me tell you. Are you listening to me? So all of them are on Facebook. Tag me. Hope Uzodimma is on Facebook. He's on Facebook. Help me tag Governor Hope Uzodimma. Just tag Hope Uzodimma. Just hold on, I'm trying to read an information. Okay, I've not been able to verify this news that the guy who challenged Angel Makeup and Gentle, the newly formed vigilante group in Okigwe, that the young man who formed that vigilante group to keep peace and unity in Okigwe, that the guy has been killed. I've been seeing that video since morning, but I've not been able to say anything to that. I want to be very sure. I want to be very, very sure. But even though, if they have succeeded finally in killing this young, innocent young man, still help me tag President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because we're not going to wait for Hope Uzodimma. We are not going to wait for him. Onwa, my brother, my governor, Onwe bin Abuja. So he may not really have the time to respond. So while we tag him, we should also tag Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It is very, very important. We must tag Mr. President. So the news has it that they have bought this young man in Okigwe, who just formed the vigilance group, or the security group, just lasted for about a week. And they've succeeded, according to what I heard on the news. Nahebugo, the young guy, the head himself, that Nahebugo. This can only happen when the state government fails to back this kind of people up. But I want to remind our governor, the governor of Imo State, His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodinma Onwa Oyoko. Sir, His Excellency, I want to remind you that if you know you cannot handle the security challenges in Imo State, dear governor, it will be good Obumi shift to as a governor. Just remain here in your office as a governor. Make like a youth water, make like Imo youth water that they should help. I don't know how you can do it, but Ojus Okalo did it in 1999. Ojus Okalo gave chance for shoemakers. Nde naru shoe na area na Bakassi did not start because na habu mma. When a line na aba anabo Bakassi on the shoemaker. You understand? So the governor of Abia State then, Dr. Ojus Okalo, gave chance. The people in the shoemaker will realize that the security, government security will not be against them. Or just to shift to the shoemaker chance. The shoemaker way go up the insecurity in Abia State then. And after they did their job, what happened? The governor was still on seats while the people sorted it out with the people. So the governor of Imo State, if you know you cannot handle this, because it is a sad news. Let me play this video so that everybody will see. I want us to watch this video. This is private slaughter. This is a slaughter in Imo State, and I want you to see for yourself. Ndị unknown gunmen with their own slaughter in Imo State. Ebe ha na-egbu mmadụ. Ebe ha place where they can buy anybody. I want you to see what my state has turned into. If Mr. President cannot declare state of emergency in Imo State, then something is wrong. Let me raise the volume.
This is Commander Chuka and my boss, not all native boys. I don't know, normal patrol. And here, bandre, Ako. I'm not Ako. After he has what I behind the Mundunato. They're going to hear on now, Chenyafu. Up before I take on share. I'm at them. I couldn't keep on and I can. Now we she will go and do it. Go and share. Don't buy you. Can I care now? Have you? You know? Share on this. I care now. Have you? Can nobody kiss her? I'm not going to make what to put in there. The quality here. And a kiss her. But I can wait. What better wire? What a card you can on your weekend yakalazo. Why are the Kenyakas? Why are you? The two women in there. Oh, okay, in Tibia honor. The honor people are going to put up honor. Honor. And yeah. Honor apple. Why you kid? Why had you killed us? Okay, Jokoya. I can't get a car. You're for this to call a kitchen. Okay. Of course, I can't acquire a casa. I think I said, she a lot of queen. Thank you, sir. You can't run a casa. Why did you take a casa? You could I think you're not Igboland. I had to take Nine. Look at all who made this? Who made this here? I don't know to talk my letter. Thank you, nine. I think you're not for my Barako 10. I got a 10. One, not with a bag who go. 9. 10, can't over 10. There. And I cannot push on up in the work in 11. Depending on the day, Monday 11. Check out the calendar. 11. Look at I'm going to look at 11. What do I call 12. 13. Monday 14. Now I'm driving how will leave. Monday 14. 14. 14. 15. When we leave, can you check 15. Yeah, Monday 16. 16. 17. 18. 18 people. 18. 18. We can't mother book. Then mother book. Look at the papa. We can't all return the money. Come back to Nai. Come back to Nai. Better than 19. Come back to you. Original bet. January 19. January 20. We are going to all our apple back, whatever I have after. January 20. 20. 21. 21. Camera to come good to him. Can have good camera to share. Marathon here, close go, marathon. Of course, let them go 21. 24 now, marathon. 24. California. 25. 25. You can hack your mother come here. About the question, the good is that. Mother come here. No, all the kitchen, she Hakitiana. Hakitiana. Yes, go. I educated by Tafia. I told the fire was in your is something. Yeah. And let's go. Scotland. Happy Cherry Canania. Happy happy. Look at the how we had it in my Kabada 24 plus Madra, yeah, 26. 26. In my Indian video here, oh, Allah call look at propaganda 26. No, that's one place with 27. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. Came out here. 32. 32. 33. 33. We're doing also 33. 34.
All right, so welcome back. Yeah, Imo State. This is in Imo State. This is within the boundary of a particular community. Listen again while I analyze.
This is Commander Chuka and my boss, not a vigilante boy. I know, normal patrol. And here, a band, I I'm not a after you.
This is vigilante. This is the commander they went after. Nato and Ako. All these things are in Okigwe. Now the commander led his team to Bandre to go and expose on video what is going on in Ako. Over 30-something skulls. Skeletons in Mother came with Radia. Upon military men, did you hear in New York? family, husband and wife, any day they bring anybody into this place, they will buy that person. Bam. This is what is going on in Imo State. This is the unknown gunmen, or the so-called unknown gunmen, specifically use this place as slaughter. Somebody said the legislators should impeach Hope. They cannot impeach him because they are just like Boy Scouts. Do you see why I don't respect your state assembly members in Imo State? All of them are just like junkies. The highest thing they can do, one-on-one, me and each of them with the state assembly, none of them get way to challenge me. And I mean they talk for live video now. I know they hide, they talk. The only thing where they go feel use challenge me now, say governor they by their side. Individually, they don't have the capacity. All the state assembly members in Imo State, bring them one after the other. I know they tell you story, you. This is video, and I mean they tell you. You dey far for internet, they watch. Physical, none of them get the capacity to challenge me. No one. Out of all of these people, all of them, one. Just they bring them out, one. No one get capacity to challenge me. At all level, no one of them. Sorry for insulting them, honorable members. But I'm just telling you the gospel truth, because people don't keep quiet for too long. Nobody they fit challenge you now. Nobody they fit talk. Nobody can say anything to your face. Now I'm saying it. That all of you don't have capacity. The speaker, the only thing where the speaker gets, why I not get, now saying get money miss roads. But on a normal ground, the speaker no be anybody. On normal hustle, speaker wey go fit see these things they go on for his state, he no fit do anything. The speaker no be also be this. See, you know what will happen? I'll try and post this video shortly after this live broadcast so that each and every one of you can watch for yourself. Your heart will bleed. The people doing these things, many of them lives abroad. 30 persons, see, they don't tire to bury people for their camp. They don't tire to bury people. They are tired of burying corpses. They are humbly tired of burying corpses. They needed to litter corpses up and down everywhere. And that was why we were able to count at least 30 persons. Remember, the video cut. The video ended. The video was terminated. Otherwise, I assure you that the commander would have counted above 100 persons. This is just one of these unknown gunmen they are slaughtered. You know what? If the governor of Imo State does not have the capacity to curtail this thing, he will leave these people and start chasing Governor Eziokwu. They will ignore this thing now. They will ignore this thing, I'm sure you know. They will ignore it. The only thing they do in my state is to go and burn down people's houses. That is all Tiger Base can do. Have you ever seen they held one person? Or they hold one innocent person going their way? Or they will even leave these places in Okigwe and run to Ngobala, land grabbing, land this and that. Are you grabbing land when there are issues in your own geopolitical zone? You know they easy to talk this thing while they talk. Oh. They go, they plan. He says, I talk to the state assembly members now. All of them know verse. They are angry. Why will you get angry? You are an idiot. You are an idiot. There's no two ways about it. You know, see, to the best of my knowledge, you knows nothing. These are corpses you are counting right now. These are things going on. These things are not super story. I'm not telling you stories though. Do you know that? You see why, You see why evil is not good? There's a man they call Frankie Bezim. I don't know, all of you will know him. Frankie Bezim. Google his name on the internet. He's one of the popular Igbo leaders. I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, they went and burnt his house down. Had it been this man was talking, do you know what they went and burnt his house down? They say the man got contract of bringing in Fulani. Which Fulani? They should go do Igbo like this. Now let me tell you, out of these 30 corpses they showed here, how do you know if somebody from your own state is not amongst these people? All of you, Igbo, you will understand that something Kaga Batala. There is one of them, one of those women who, one of their sponsors I cursed a few days ago. I heard that she's somebody sent me a message. Watch. Give one Igbo. Enough 6 months today. Enough 6 months today. Then there is no God who preserved me when I was born premature. Enough. You're welcome back. The network was bad. Help me share this live broadcast. Enough 170 days coming. Know that more than 3 days. If all of you remain complete, if all of you be involved in these things, remain here. If all of you remains, stays complete till January, then man they succeed the buta people like me. Happen Chandimo, happen Dinebu. One agwazigi now that you'll be stressed beyond stretcher. Beyond stretcher. It is mandatory. Everyone must state all the information. Also going to give 100. Try acquire sileka gesi we me buogi. Ya wara mo that day. So everyone listening to me, let me do this quickly because of the network. If I ever go seek a plan, even gentle or anybody, Ala Igbo state reach him that day. One again made that one physical to any table. But I'm telling you that all of you they involved. The world will know the meaning of the Shananites. Things will begin to happen to you people. Uno get this talked. Uno get this talked. I will later make a separate video today so that people can keep record. Don't thank me for this. Don't thank anybody for this. What I'm telling you, Uno get this talked no Okigwe. I know even now that you people are still in Okigwe. Within Okigwe and around this org. And the federal government is not ready to do anything because more boy they will run that place. Penetrate was here. David Angel Gabriel or Angel Lucifer was making was just to divert attention. Otherwise, 1,000 soldiers not be being so. Armor tanks like 500 not be beings. If in the enter they wanna go hear them. But I'm telling you, since government they get anything, since state governor I get anything, oh yeah mama ucho biya. But I'm telling you, mpona camera mari name. But I show you people now about John with you people since now. But this time I'm telling you, Maomaka, every chronicles of Imo states, the soil is against you now. Your sponsors overseas, don't have problem. It doesn't matter how many they are. The Bible says that David killed 10,000. Those that were against the children of Israel. Let me just use the Bible story for example. So out of 10,000 persons, because they came, they were enemies to the people, 10,000 of them, that it doesn't matter how many you are, it doesn't matter. And all of you, all of you in Imo State, when the whole Ununchasona committee ended, we never 1,000. We never be here to Igbo once. I just know about you, no kidding. So to the governor of Imo State, if you cannot do anything, His Excellency, allow the people. And two, Obo want to create a vigilante group, want to have one vigilante in this new era, this new dispensation. Vigilante get on passion, they confront to AK-47. It doesn't happen anywhere. You've just designed the battle that the other people will win. When you say India, defend yourself. He will kill me a coded. He will kill me silently.
You allow them access. These people these people are our brothers, so we know them, they know us. They grew up together with us. Them to at home too much. Them to talk with them to at home too much. Some people grew up with him, and not everybody who grew up with him can agree or subscribe to this kind of nonsense they do. Senator Hope of them, and there are still people who knows them. That are, in fact, there are still genuine and bonded friends they cannot even stay away from, even till now. From where I am now, I'm on a distance. God bear me witness. Nobody gives me information about this people. You know, at my closest, if I sit, I will see them. If I sit, I see them. How they prepare their meals, how they eat. That day they say they poisoned the gent to the poison. Nothing like that happened anywhere. Just that there is panic everywhere, and they have realized that the panic in the land might swallow them. So they want attention to be diverted so that they can move. I want this guy, I told this guy, the days ahead of him is evil. The days ahead of him cannot, I'm not sure. There are no clock. The clock over his head did not move. He stopped. Let me not tell you much. You know why leaders, all of you, more gonna keep quiet as soon as they keep quiet. But I assure you, they come. People are scared. Scared of who? Scared of what? So, dear Senator Hope Uzodinma, that's why I tell people to tag him. Even Igbo State here, you're not tagging Hope Uzodinma here. Our people are no longer coming back home. This December, be Imo State, careful. Go to your village in Imo and see. Everywhere will be scanty, everywhere will be dry. You know why? People are not going to come home. Even not to the end. Okuimo di ha that many governors will be at Imo State, a raw hotel. Many came to Imo State and they built hotels. Juiciest, Juju, people Nagazi, Akwakuma, Amakoya. Now you might approach Airport Junction, Ngopara, now hotels everywhere. But I got through the Juju, cross Tabo Hospital Junction, Oruwago, what's it called? Umapo. From control and about to Umapo, people can make investment hotels, or is a home of hospitality, you know. People invest there without regret. Oh, quite the same imodi ha. Or the same imokana church ha. Or the same imwa. Ka people now put us in a internet na to ego na agba imo oku. Their own state are there at peace. The whole southeast, Imo State, the whole southeast. Why is it that in Imo State, Kebu the highest people? In fact, in Imo State right now, and this should able during the Civil War. In Imo State right now, and don't show able during the Civil War. And all of you are quiet. All of you are so afraid. Ibuka mando ine kukume oburo magi ke eburi ga dey happy. Will you be silent? Will you be quiet? If there is nobody to question, if you cannot talk to these people, if you cannot summon the courage like Governor Ezioku, or maybe you are afraid, why not start bashing your state assembly member? Joya ke ihone media. Your Federal House of Representative member. Ebu who one chicken in River State. Ebu who one chicken. They did not kill one chicken in Rivers State and state of emergency was declared. I said not even one goat. State of emergency that when declared before, people will be afraid. Now we are asking for it. Now we are asking for the, since the army can no longer have the courage to take over Okigbe completely or take over Umuaka. Because my governor was APC. Had it been there is no one soul in Imo State, Imo State would have been as worse as Sambisa Forest. And I don't think a governor would have been there. Or let me use this word. Permit me to use this word, that a governor wouldn't have been posted to Imo State. A governor wouldn't have been posted to Imo State. It takes you nothing. Just go to your Facebook page. Say for the sake of so thing. If they were both na Twitter. Take some of these videos in boss governance. I will send them to you. You post it on Twitter. You show the world what is going on in Imo State. As I'm saying it now, they have had idea against me, but I'm not afraid. The governor, mark my word, the governor of Imo State can happen what he needs to do now. In a chogaremua, and then maybe in the energy, waste of time and energy. To tell you how bad it is, do you know that even his SAs, his media aides, they don't defend him again on social media? Hence, it has to do with insecurity. Why? Business agent, if there's any business they are doing with the lives of our people, we want to know. Because even in those local governments, allocations are still going on there. Please, willingly will the allocation to the security men. Will it to the military. If those ones, if you cannot will it to them, will it to citizens who can go and defend their land. If you cannot do anything, village, you can't defend your land, because not everybody will decide to join the non-government, but because a lot of people doesn't want to join them, doesn't want to do what they do. Because if you hear that some group of young men, about 10 or 15 of them, went to confront these people with their own rifles, you government will leave your non-government and start attacking these people. Selfishness. Would you all believe me that in each of these communities, in each of these local governments, if 20 of their youth has access to AK-47s, in Abahandobaha, if it takes you binding them under oath, you do it as governor. Every country across the world will undercover men, or that's cover securities. They have. Any government that want to succeed, you must have undercover men. They are even Russia, as strong as Russia they have, as strong as America they have, as strong as they are. In each community, in each local government, His Excellency, don't give to security men, don't give to army. Since in that feeling that they are stronger than us, or how can you wabundi mama ihe? Nyekola 20 people access to AK-47. Secret army withdraw from that area. If they are using GP, it takes you nothing. Discuss it with Mr. President. Make only hand over machine guns. Train go to some of our people. Don't announce some or Igbo men. When you are GSS and when they are not from our communities. DSS, they are not from our communities. Even at some point, recruit our own brothers. They go there independent. During the time of Governor Peter Dili, there were some team he brought out, people that have stayed above 30 years in River State. At least 25 years at minimum. And when they about Odili Polo, it was Odili Polo that started coming River State first, before Elegeface came out. Ask, not only you get Bakassi, there used to be Odili Polo. After Odili Polo, we had Elegeface. Elegeface, out of, if you see Elegeface, 20 of their team, of their members, only one could be a police officer. just to supervise what is going on. That's just his work. And he's not even the commander. Even the commander can still command the policeman among them. Say, go and sit down. He will go and sit down because sometimes the police can compromise. Those guys in Muridimura, they had the guts to challenge even the militant Igbo GP. They had access. After they did their job, they were removed. Go and verify this thing I'm telling you in Rivers State. When Governor Wike saw this thing coming, Wike saw this thing from far, and Wike, if Wike will know Igbo, he dealt with our people decisively because nobody in Riverside would have managed this kind of nonsense. Look at what is going on in our state right now. And it was a cemetery and a boom mother. This video you watched though is too little to produce. Oh, do you know that there's a place they call produce? There's a place they call produce. Frankie Bezim was a senator. I think he was a senator. Frankie Bezim was a senator in Imo State. I think he's from, either the man is from, can I remember? These boys went and burnt down his house as at yesterday, his ancestral home. They went and burnt it down. Hagrabolo yoko. Umelegigene. Either he's from my way Frankie Bezim. Sir Frankie Bezim. He's been an old politician. I think he was a senator around 2015 or thereabouts. They went and burnt his house. Why? Once you are elected into any position, they say you are Sabo, neighbor agent of Fulani. Agent of Fulani. They burnt down this man's house. None of their uncle. Frankie Bezim did not stop your uncles from running for a federal house of reps. So he didn't stop your uncles from contesting for Senate. Even you. What evidence do you have? You went to his house. So that Frankie Bezim. Just imagine to the completely. Okay, he's from Okigwe zone. Yes. He's from Okigwe zone. From Okigwe zone. Thank you, my brothers. Well, let me find that video. That's what I'm looking for. Just like that. Went and burnt this man's house. Igboland.
Animal human being. You can never do anything reasonable for you. For your faith. Yeah. The foolish man's house. What do you call yourself? Raising France or whatever you call yourself. Burn this whole place. Burn this place down. Frank is a keyboard. Animal human being. You can never do anything reasonable for your people. It is to bring full enhancement into our tribe. That I'm never. Who do that? Just look at one man's house. Our again, you move on your hand there. Our again, you move on your hand there. Bella, well, you see, Our again, you move on your hand there. The pen you phone your part.
They burnt the house, burnt some things the man kept in his house. He wants to use for palliatives or maybe to empower people around Christmas this year. They burnt the senator's house, Frank Ibezim. They burnt his house. And you see somebody, a tout, calling the man animal. They invaded his hometown. No, that say burn his house down. You heard it yourself, you watched the video. Look at the interlock. The interlock and the grinding machines he kept in his house should tell you that this should be a senator's house. That man does not need that thing for anything. Possibly he kept them for empowerment. Actually, I'm not much concerned about even the government officials. But Obo, you treat the government officials the same. Even those that are even trying, you treat them the same. My major concern is not even the government officials. Oh, sorry for even playing this video. Me, I don't care for them, for senators or former senators. And I'm not also supporting you. I am not in support of you doing anything to the senators. I'm not in support. Don't destroy their homes. I'm not in support of that. What about the individuals? What about travelers? What about a lawyer that was kidnapped and over 18 million naira was collected from him and his brother? What about private individuals? If Frank Ibezim is working for Fulanis as you accused him, what about that couple? I showed their video yesterday or day before yesterday. Egburu nwunye mmadụ gbuo the man n'onwe ya chaa nwunye ara. That one of senator. These 30 persons now, are they senators? Are they elected into any position? Are they not civilians? Are they not individuals hustling day and night? These people, no matter how you see, they go to the market and they buy rice, very, very expensive. You now have different poultry, different slaughters, different camping. Maybe Igbo. I can't go to no man that will see Burebu or go few. Or go the few. All man in Igboland, Imo State. Brought mother 5,000. Ndị na-abụghị ndị Imo State, ndị na-abụghị ndị Igbo nọ n'ime ya, ama carry 100. Ma the security men, ma ọsịkwa gị na-asị gị o, ha nche m ike akarị, okay, ka anyị nye gị 500. Then 4,500 humans from southeast. Igbo. Ọ bụ ụmụnne gị ndị Igbo ga igbucha aha gị nweta nwere onwe. Or igbucha aha. What you are dragging, the leadership you are dragging on your own
Ununchai and your gangs abroad. The leadership Unu Dragiga. Because Mazen Namdekan is not there to head or to control. You see that the love Unu Sunu show you before. All of you don't love him. Una love him because Unu love him. You will tell him no. Due to the leadership puzzle, Ununcham was amongst yourselves because the man is not around. When they become Bushi one day, Bushiwa, people you think, Nama baby, my baby got on Nandeda, Nibo, Mebu Mundega, Macho, Chobo, if you don't know command, if you don't save where go, now command the people now to go, they think you are doing the right thing while you're not about Madoko. I watched a video where Gentle was saying, thank you, Master Simon Epa, our Prime Minister. Your Prime Minister, he's from Ebonyi State, as he said. Ebonyi State, they calm. Ebonyi State is calm. Ebubegi, 2% of Ebonyi State, Ebube and Ebonyi State. You are the one, you nebu see your people, you nebu your people, nebu your people, nebu shumunegi. And you think you will last. Emeka Boroko say, Obebe gala nebe, Obum magala nama, Oyibo wan nabuchi. So far you kill your kinsmen, he will go chigi that day. And those of you in Lagos, church, obunu aga sponsor, kana madalaya, obunu aga sponsor, ka community mad. You, obunu aga sponsor, non-government. Isini bowa Chineke mando gadige gosi ya brother mole no kukwegi. Chukwa maralandi ya importo le no kukwegi. Chukwa maralandi ya. You are in Port Harcourt in Azusa Afike in a business na Kala Oboshisho Igbo anywhere. The best you can do for your people be to kote since you will be billionaire, start pulling people out of poverty. And not you buying bullets. They just bubble your people. Lagos, Abuja, Igbo. Obi Otombo na one day, give one go do guano. What if you want somebody that got kidnapped? Wipe all your family. Keki ge feel. Imakano no buli metranelo waka ho ke ga na ro ya chi ma se sekoria. Also o me ma me ro we ya. O me njo me no we ya. O me no ma me ro we. Enyi mi mere na lo wa. Ka ho ke ga na ro ya na lo wa mo. O me ma me ro we ya o. Whatever you do today, that shall you reap. I'm not stopping you from sponsoring any evil because you have the money. You got the money to set villages ablaze, communities. No problem. Except in this life. If you anywhere you operate from, the house you live in is not built or the foundations are not laid on a soil, you will pay. Then I also want to look at one area. Do you know politicians can do undo? A politician can wake up and say that since Hope Uzodinma has done this and that, therefore his administration will not be ungovernable. Politicians can decide such. They decide to do undo. But guess what? You are not the owner of Imo State. You are not the owner of heaven and earth. You obogi wanwe eligwe nwa. Obogi wa kere chukwu kere gi. God made you. He knows when to terminate you. Let me hear this video.
For all the Africans all over the world, I want to also to tell you, whosoever is looking for his loved one, because the information reaching to my office is that since the invasion of of Apple. But when Nigerian terrorist governments, under the watch of Hope Uzodinma and the Tinubu and the DOS, after they have invaded our community, there's a lot of looking anybody in this. This is live broadcast. I am telling you, for the world to understand what is going on in the Tiger Base. Many Biafrans are languishing, has been killed, murdered on daily basis in Tiger Base. I want Trump. I want Finland Prime Minister. I want the international countries to investigate Hope Uzodinma on the atrocities he has been committing against Imo people, old Imo states. Today, the men on ground is standing resolute. Their friends are standing resolute. Men on going on. For the people of the world to understand what is going on in the land of Biafra.
Okay, guys, I think I have to play this video now.
Killed by Hope Uzodinma, and nobody is talking anything. Our people.
Everyone listening to me, this video, I think I saved it, but I've not been able to listen to it. Maybe.
Yap your left and the right. Yap your left and the right. Yeah, wonderful good luck, yeah. My attention.
Nah, but this my brother look for you. They go the eyeglass, my brother.
Information. First note of
my brother, crime no good though. Crime no good. Crime no good. Crime no good. See NJ makeup. See.
Of somebody.
Nah, my brother, happen to him do no name na. This thing no good. See NJ makeup. This word they move. Many of us know say you see a gent today like this, Ifeanyi. Now very fine and handsome guy. You get one Ghana footballer where that guy resemble. That guy they talented. See, if he be say the guy not to get maybe update, but in they smart, they intelligent. God, now you supposed to protect your people.
But I'll get back to you.
Now you supposed to protect him the most. Talking about protect your people. All this and that. Even you get one you sabo among around you, and will keep mage. Because even your own mama sometimes your mother got no ya call Goku or we no sense guy. Your mother got no total, your mother call go. Even your sisters got no total about the war. This day as a man, and when they you just walk out come out. So when they go and have a bigger country before, your mother have a bigger country before, you got a sense. You got a sense. You're thinking you're supposed to go all those kind of things. You know, you follow your kinsmen. How do you feel? Even I standing at a no mother. How you even reason self? You know, you know that they be like when your mother. Okunaga wan anya naga wan na hoya. Those things, all of them cannot be rumor. And they feel like government grant amnesty, all this and that. That amnesty got fail now. ọ gafee now. Ọ gafee na nwanne ihe enweta ya. Ọ gafekwa na there's no way. And ka isi afụ ndị Rivers State na grant ndị mba mmiri amnesty nke ọkwa otu ọ dị n'Imo steeti o. Listen, enwere egwu Ifeanyi Bawuchi gụrụ ọsị ụjọ nsọ agbakwuru ọgọ makwanụ sọgụ bọnwụ eyi mata n'osimiri adịghị eri onye n'ọfụgo ụkwụ ya anya ịkpata nkụ afụfụ ngwere ga-abịara gị oriri onye na-eme mmemme ya kpọọ Jizọs ka ọ bịa hụ. Ịrọdụ nwanne m, eze Ịrọdụ bụ eze na-achị achị. Oruru m mere mmemme ukwu n'ibe rute ya gbara maịvan nwuchie ya ṅụọnụ kaikai ya na deriba ndị ise jupụta ya onye kọm ihe n'ọmakwa anya ya wee fụ nwa agbọghọ nke na-ete egwu ọsị ya nne m gwa m ihe m ga-emere gị dike na-agba n'ọsọ wee gbakwuru mama ya nne m na-egbe m ihe ga-agba eze mama ya si ya gwa ya nye gị isi John the Baptist ma na ọ na-edistọb oziọma mana dike na-abịakwute ezele eburusi John gbunye na nwụ na ekwensu abatala onye na-eme mmemme ya kpọọ Jizọs ka ọ bịa I want to pick this one. Ebe ahụ sị oji ọsọ agbakwuru ọgụ na ọma na ọgụ bụ ọnwụ mana ịkpata nkụ ahụhụ ngwere abịara gị oriri. Have you ever seen a military person who came out and na-enye award and na-eti ya rank? What did he do? He pied his kingsmen. He kicked 10,000 of his kingsmen and na-enye award for killing your kingsmen. After, even in a strange land, after receiving all those rank, despite the rank, he will end up as a senior slave among strangers. That's the way it is. You can never get award. Even heaven does not honor the voice of he that has killed his people. If you don't know, but upon how brave he made great Okigwe. Dr. Michael Oparano, who is from Ojabe Okigwe Jike, he pointed at Okigwe as a satellite town. What was the governor of Eastern Nigeria, including River State? On a bono to all his hometown Omaya, Oshia, Obiokigwe. The Jimmy Wobo, all of them were coming to Okigwe for relaxation. Great place. What about Arondi Zog? Eba in Eje, we pay transport, we leave whatever we are doing, we go for their carnival. Oyaka Ndamuro, Oyaka people that does not even have history, they destroy. Oya, is this Imo state that animals are destroying? Is this the same Imo they Samumbakwe left in our hands? Is this the Imo that senators are keeping quiet? Federal House of Representative members, they are keeping quiet, they are battling people while their houses are burning fire. All of you are seeking to be elected. If they elect you, what will you do? If you cannot speak for the people now, when you are elected, what will you do? Nah. No. I don't know. But just hold on. I'm finishing my live broadcast, okay? Okay, my brother. I'll get back to you. Do you know how disappointed the Simon Bakwe will be? The Jimmy Wobodo. These are people. They are cool prizes for us. They them by the way of blessed memory, my brother. Thank you. From around this Ogo. These are great men. Iboji de Bube. They are supposed really this man who paid prizes for us. How would they even they Chukwemeka will be highly disappointed and American our people, our fathers who paid the price. The guns actually Lord the civil war had done against our people. They did not use it to point at anybody from Igboland. And when Asna Chukwemeka turn to AK-47 or turn any rifle, we don't pass one day Kyogo, the enemies would have overrun him. But he ignored. Or our people had a clear gossip at that time. Does it seem as if our people does not talk or speak against Chukwemeka upon his money, upon protecting his people?